Hello class, and welcome to the weekly update on the microcomputer uh, applications course. I went over some of the questions that were asked in the chat and by email, so make sure everything is covered. At this point, you should know some things. So I'm going to start off with the new stuff first, in case you have any technical issues. This is the screen you get to as soon as you enter the Access Pearson tab on Canvas. It'll take you here. So my view, you'll notice if you go to help and support, you'll see instructor help, student help. If you click on get student help, there's a lot of things you can do in here. Even if you forget your password, username or password, you can go to Pearson support, get diagnostics, see if your computer is able to run the software. Here, get student help. If you click here, there's some general information, videos and stuff you can follow. Say for instance, you switch computers for whatever reason, you don't know, your software doesn't work, you can't upload videos or upload files. You can go here to this area, kind of find what you're looking for. Sometimes it might just be the browser settings that'll won't allow pop-ups, blocking pop-ups, so you would need to change that, but just use this as directions. Alright, so this is the student area, and let's see. So yeah, so basically all I did was go from here, click on the help and support, and get student help. Alright, then of course if you click this one, you go back into the My Home or My Lab. See, this is what it looks like on mine. And what I do, sync the grades. So your Canvas, I'm still waiting on an answer why the quizzes aren't showing up in Canvas, but they're still graded on the My IT Lab. So if it takes a little while, that's fine. As soon as I get those to show up, I will post the new grading scale in Canvas, because it's obviously going to be over 600 points, as the end of chapter tests or assessments are 100 points each, and there's a lot more than 6 of those. So once I get the quizzes uploaded, I'll do another calculation, and I'll post that hopefully over the next week, if not 2 weeks, so you'll know the total points you need for what grade you'll finish with. Alright, so this is what this part looks like, and this is the new, but as a recap, we didn't have anyone join the meeting today, so like I said, it's not mandatory, but I'll still go over this. So if you're having problems with the assignments or even the assessment, I recommend you come here, click on, let's see if you're in the chat for instance, you click on the Teams tab right here, it'll take you to the classroom. Why does that go on C1176? Let's come off of that. So let's go to this class, CGS 2100 22Z, click on that team. Then if you go to classwork, when this loads, you'll have this. And so if you click like in week 2 or whatever week you're looking for, go to see more. If you click see more, you'll expand it all the way. So these are the videos for Word 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, and so on. So if you go into week 3, the same thing. If it says see more, if you click that, it'll only show 2 at a time, but then if you expand that, it'll show them all. So you can look at these videos before the assignments, which I do recommend, and even before you take the assessment, to look at it, especially the late ones, the last 2, which is, there's only 2 per chapter, and then an assignment. So if you get a chance to, as you do the assimilation, look at the video, then do the simulation training. When you do both of them, it wouldn't hurt to go and look at the videos again to make sure that you're able to get through the assessment and do all the tasks. Alright, so every task won't be on there, but randomly there'll be several on there that you'll have to do. So if you know how to do the simulation, you'll be used to doing those, and you can practice those. And you can also use your book, if you have it, to look up things like footnotes, headers, things like that, so you can see where they are in the book while you're taking the assessment. But use your tools so you can get the best grade you can get. And when I get done, as for week 1, this video will be posted. So week 1's recap posted. I guess I mailed that one out. Intro video. Yeah, I mailed that one out. So I'm going to email this one out as well. So you'll have this in your email. But otherwise, just remember, if you have any questions about the first teams, submitting teams, assignment, or anything like that, go back and watch the introductory video. Here it is, week 1. Watch this video, and you can watch the team's instructions. It shows you where in the book to attach the file. Just know that it has to be a PowerPoint file for that assignment. When you do the Word assignment, it has to be a Word file. It can't be a PDF, can't be a JPEG. So make sure you got the right file format before you try to submit it. Right? So if you send me an email with like, hey, I can't log in, and not like I don't know what you want, give it some effort. Why can't you log in? Hey, I did go to the help page and I tried to do this and it said I needed to see my instructor. But if you have technical issues and you just tell me I can't submit my assignment, you're not going to get helped. So just being vague like that. Hey, I tried to submit my assignment. I got this error, and here's a screenshot. Or I got this error, or wouldn't let me go farther, or it's giving me this message. All right, but please, at the very least, look at the introduction video. If it's not covered in there, go to the help and support. If it's not covered in there, then you contact me. Because like I said, I'm trying to get some help, technical help as well. The software is working well, but there are some things that I can't figure out, and I'm not an administrator of this program. So I can't reset your password. I can't do that. However, if it's one of the assignments and you submit the assignments, like the first assignment, the Microsoft Teams assignment, if you submit the assignment, I can adjust it. So if you can't create a team, we already covered that. You don't have to. Just click on that, screenshot the actual message that it says, I need to create a team, so I know that you know how to create a team, and then submit that the way it says in the instructions, where you have to submit it on a put that screenshot on a PowerPoint video and submit it as a PowerPoint video or as a PowerPoint presentation, and then I'll be able to adjust your grade. So right now, everybody either got a 0 or 100 for that assignment. All right, but that's once you get past that one, everything else so far is working correctly. All right, so please don't get caught on the island waiting until week 10, week 11, and try to do everything, because you won't make it, because I'm not gonna stay up all night with you. All right, so right now, while you have support, get caught up, stay caught up. Get ahead in case there are any emergencies, but don't put yourself in a position to fail. So this is where you find all the videos again, and as I post them, I'll put them on here, and as I do these, I'll email them to everyone to your Eastern Florida email address. So you should be able to get it. If you don't want to look at the video, that's on you, but if you ask a question that's already talked about or answered in the video, I'm going to reply, did you see the video? So you can give it an effort. And also, if you can't find the answer you need, click here in the chat area on Teams, and then go and read this page that says, where we chat. This is our chat area for the classroom. So this is where you would chat, because other students can help you out, because they see what you see and they get to what you got. They have the same everything that you have. So your fellow students can answer a lot of these questions that I don't have access to as a student, or my screen does not allow me to see. So as an instructor, like I said, I can help you with the coursework, but outside of that, put your questions here. All right, but that's all I have. If you have any questions, again, you know how to do it. Continue on working on those assignments. Make sure you're using your resources, your book, the videos, and try to stay ahead. All right, so take care, and I will see you all next week, or I will talk to you all next week.